If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to get the latest updates.
Hello, Madhvi. Good morning. How are you?
Yeah, hi. Okay. Good evening.
So, Madhvi, so far we have completed overview, module 1, module 2, and module 3 data modeling. So, today we will cover up this product modeling, and after that, we will go with your system where we will finish this installation part and we make it storefront up. Plus, we will go with the IntelliJ installation also.
Sure.
Okay.
So in yesterday session, the data modeling was just a theoretical part, right? We
Vertical part, yes. In the exercise, I'm going to explain you that. First, we have to set up this storefront,
right,
then you will get the more hands-on.
sure.
Okay. So product modeling is here. My voice is clear.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Okay. There's a no echo, right?
No.
Okay. Cool. Okay. So, right. Uh, so this is a disclaimer is there. So we'll take here 5-second pause. After that, we'll move forward. Okay. Let's move. So agenda it's the same. What we have done in data modeling, build a framework, extension concept, basic configuration, and SAP Commerce Server. So here for SAP Commerce Server, by default they are using the Tomcat actually. So if you get a chance to go into platform bin, so there you inside the server details you will find the embedded Tomcat is there.
Okay.
This is just for your FIR.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And HEC initialization and updates, recipes, and Spring. This one.
So even in the latest versions, also they are having Tomcat.
Yes, yes. See, if you are came from the Java background as and this Spring framework, so basically what we are doing, we are installing the Tomcat server as a individuals, right?
Right.
We are taking the file or exe file and setting the path we are doing. But in
Right.
SAP Hybris, in the Hybris suite, they are keeping the Tomcat as embedded.
Okay.
Okay. Now here is the two tricks are here about the server level. So there is a one Tomcat server is there, and second the Solar server is there. So this Solar server and Tomcat
Solar or
server,
Solaris?
sorry,
Is it Solar or Solaris server?
Solar, SOLR, Solar.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
So there is a two servers are embedded, Solar server and Tomcat server. So once you unzip that hybrid suite, and we will go with the installation everything. So in the storefront level, you can see because in the searching mechanism, we are using the Solar server. So you can make a note also for better understanding. So Solar server is using for better search functionality. So let's take the example is like if you can go to Google somewhere, so you're typing there test 1 2 3. So
Correct.
for you, it might take 1 minute, but next time when I am doing typing their test 1 2 3, so for me it will take only 10 seconds. For others, they will type, then it will take only 1 second or might be milliseconds. So there is a one indexing concept is happening.
Mm-hmm.
So indexing is happening from Solar's server actually. So that is an advanced level of SAP Hybris concept. So this is just the highlights for you. So, but after some days, we will go with Solar search also.
Uh, So, I'm just trying to understand. So, SAP has by default Tomcat as their server, right?
Correct,
So, even Solar is also
by default.
okay. So, there are two servers basically.
Yeah, there are two server embedded, Solar and Tomcat.
The Tomcat is used to up, up the application, right?
Yes,
And
Tomcat is using to make the application up, and Solar is using for search mechanism.
oh, okay.
And recipes are there, Spring, Commerce Cloud, it is there. So there is first part is data modeling. There we are defining the type systems and everything, that table names, attributes, and everything. And the second is the PCM, product content management. I mean to say, we have to, every project is having the content catalog and product catalog. Inside the product catalog, we have to define different attributes for that particular uh, product. So here there is a apparel product is there, and electronics product is there. So for that we have to do some data modeling. So this is what is stand for PCM, and this can be managed from product cockpit. Cockpit is just like a HAC and uh, HAC in back office. There you can modify some attributes, and on the fly you can see that. So that is basically using by the customer or client side, because they don't have to do any coding anything. So from there they can do. But from developer end, we have to do this everything through the impacts file.
That is IMPEX.
IMPEX, impacts. Impacts, as I told you in my previous section, that if you heard about .sql file, like in MySQL or SQL or Oracle,
Mm-hmm.
right? The same in SAP Hybris, we are using the impacts actually. So we will export this more once we set up your IntelliJ. Then I can show you in the code base. Then we'll get the more hands-on. Okay.
So, can you explain the cockpit again? Like what has?
Cockpit, yeah. See, in cockpit, like basically there you can make a note also if you want.
Mm-hmm.
So cockpit is there. We need to edit some product attributes, or we need to make some or offline to online sync up job over there. So that is stand for cockpit.
And you said it is like HAC.
Yeah, it's a like it's kind of HAC back office smart editor and this cockpit. See, there are uh, this storefront, it is there first, then HAC is there, then back office it is there, then smart edit, and then this cockpit.
Yeah. So yesterday when we extracted the bookstore, this thing,
Mhm,
store. So
mhm.
I mean, what do you say? The bookstore thing. So in that we did not put the cockpit entry, right? When
Yes,
we entered in the local extensions.xml.
correct. Why we did not put?
Mm-hmm.
Because cockpit is the out of the box. I mean to say, this is provided by SAP itself. This is provided into the OTB code itself. So no need to put into the local dot extension actually. But yes, if you want some customization for cockpit, you're creating some separate extension for that to do some modification, then you have to add into local extension dot XML.
Oh, okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay. See, in local extension.xml file, what happened is, if you're creating something new extension or add on something, so you have to make an entry over there. That's it,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
right? Like we have make some entry into the bookstore front core, which is a totally new one, right? So that entry we have made it. Now
Okay.
I'm moving forward. So this is the this is the cockpit actually. You can see over here, and this is the cockpit for back office. So this is they have taken the screenshot from, yes, this is they have taken from cockpit. So if you can see here that stage version is there, online is there. So you will understand this more when you storefront is get up and your code base is get set up. So we
Okay.
will do this today only, because today is the fourth day, so you should get some hands-on, because so far you have seen storefront in my system
Right.
always, or AG or other side, but
Right.
it should be in your system, so you can see at any time in your daytime, right? So
One more question here, like what is the difference between data modeling and product modeling? Like, so
yes. So in data modeling and the product modeling, what's happening is the product modeling is comes into the data modeling itself.
it's a
For
part of
example,
data modeling, right?
part of
If
that
we
one, right?
further drill down that data, then it will result in product, right?
Correct.
Okay.
So I will explain in this way, proper way. So we will create one table, book, okay, and we will create another table called bookstore, okay. So here for the book, we will define your book ID and book name, and to the bookstore, we will put the author name and description, right? So this two table we will define. Or for example, if you want to connect with this with the product one, so we'll extend that one. This is how this modeling work actually.
Okay.
Right. I
Mm.
mean to say in the Java, we used to right click and we have to say new class XYZ extending super class and there we are putting there. Here what we are doing data modeling for that. After that into the controller in the service in the DAO layer, we are fetching that all the data and to fulfill with with the converter and populator.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
So this converter and populator, you can make a note. This is very critical point. I mean to say, in everywhere converter and populator they use. I will give you just for curiosity purpose. I will give you heads up on this converter and populator. So in our Java plus Spring application, we directly showing the model into the storefront, right? That model data. But
Mhm.
here what's happening in SAP Hybris, we are converting the model object into the POJO object. POJO object in the sense DTO, data transfer object. For example, into your product model, there are different 100 attributes are there. Product name, a short description, long description, URL, image, width, height, whatever. But into the storefront, out of the 100 attribute, you want to showcase only 5 attribute. So what you can do for this, you can use a conversion mechanism where you convert the model into DTO, data transfer object. Out of 100 attributes, you can take only 5 attributes from there. So here, what is the advantage will happen? It will reduce the performance and instead of showing all the 100 attributes or saving into the temp variable better, we can go with the populator or converter approach where we can display only 5 attributes with setter and getter method.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay. So in the code base, I will showcase you. You can make a note, converter and populator, that topic.
Okay.
Hmm. Because why I'm asking to make a notes, no, like a Jello class, comma, converter, populator, comma, CC1, CCV2. So we will cover this all the topics actually. Otherwise, what happened? No, there's a high chances there it has got slipped,
Mm-hmm.
and I do not want to slip any topics
Right. So
because
converter converts the product
converter
model to DTOs, and
converter
populator helps them to populate.
yes, populator is basically populate into the storefront.
Okay.
Do not worry, I will give you one exercise, very simple exercise. See, generally what's happening in the training program, what people are giving the very big exercise. No,
Mm-hmm.
we will go with the very small exercise. If you
Always.
understand small exercise, then you can build the entire building actually,
Correct. Yes.
right? Like for example, I will say you create two tables, book and bookstore. For the book, two attribute, book ID, book name. For bookstore, book name, author name and description. So here we will put the join also, and this data will display into the storefront. We will perform the card operation, so you will understand more about it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And we will pick up any controller into out of the box, product page controller or search page controller, and we will follow the flow. Controller, facade, service down. But what happened is that what I have found in the industry, people are doing whatever they feel. I mean to say they used to write controller. and to the service layer, they used to call some DAO layer, right? Or in the service, they perform something converter populator operations. So which is totally wrong. In the SAP Hybris, we follow the approach called controller, facade, service, DAO. This is how SAP Hybris engine works actually. For saving mechanism, you can do into the controller also. But the best way is that for saving, you have to be into the facade layer. FACADE facade.
Mm-hmm. So we haven't yet discussed about facade layer, right? I mean, in detail.
Yes, I will display you. I will showcase you into the code base,
Okay.
or I will display you in the one diagram also. Do not worry.
The flow goes as it controller, then it goes into facade,
Yes,
then service, and then down.
yes. And Madhavi, to be honestly with you, converter, populator, data modeling, and this this data flow. This is very important. If you understand this, then you can do anything into the SAP Hybris.
Mm-hmm.
Because I work with the people who's having the 5 year experience, 10 year experience, but the concept is not clear. Okay, for project they are doing copy paste and make it runnable. That is different story. But the concept wise, not that much clear actually.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, I'm moving forward now.
Sure.
So this is the product modeling is there. So as I that day I have explained you right into the product modeling. There's a classification attribute also it is coming right. So that day in our second session I have told you right. So you can go through the recording second
Yes.
session one. So
Mm-hmm.
you will understood classification and everything because in the product modeling we have to break the product into different categories right. For example, you have one bag. So that bag is we will break into it. Is it the cotton bag or this is the polyester bag or this is something different bag? So the category we can do with the classification attribute. I mean to say classification attribute like this is like a one impacts file, one class, one table name. There we need to map our product with that category. That's it, job done.
Mm-hmm.
Means it's not like very heavy word classification. No, it's a very normal word. That's it. I have given training to multiple people, so I never go with the very high level. If I go with the very high level, everything will get bounced,
Mm-hmm.
and the time we will never utilize. For me, what I need people, they should take the full benefits from me, from my knowledge.
Mm-hmm.
Because you will understood me when you start working on your real time project, no, then you will remember my words actually.
Right.
Yeah, there's a because people they used to call me, WhatsApp me, email me, Abhinav, you are right, and I don't know what they are saying. Then I used to ask them which right, I don't know, I forget. Then they are saying that you had told me that day, this. I said okay, if this is beneficial for you, that is fine.
Mm-hmm. Right.
Now I am moving forward. So this is the product, right? So, and this product modeling, of course, we have to define into the item.xml. And always remember, item.xml will be inside the resource folder and inside the core folder.
Okay.
Okay, this is
So
the
there
first
are
point.
two locations you mean to say?
No, inside the core, there's a one core folder is there, right? Bookstore core extension.
Mm,
You can check in your code. We will see after this. So item.xml always persists into resource folder. Inside the resource, item.xml must be there. Or if you are going to create the new extension, so for the new extension, if you want to do some data modeling, so that will be inside the resource folder always.
okay.
Never change the code structure. It will cause some issue.
Okay. So it's in bookstore core and resources.
Yes,
Is it
item.xml.
items? Okay. I see.
I will show you. Don't
Okay,
worry.
sure.
No need to struggle.
Okay.
So this is a classification attribute which we already discussed. Okay. So basically, what classification is doing, it is just you know,
Can we go back to previous slide, please?
yeah, sure.
So here, so you mean to say this electronics is not, I mean, this cross mentions that it is not dependent, like car is a different product and electronics is different product, right?
Correct.
And product item is a part of car, but not electronics, right? It doesn't have any relation with electronics. That's what.
Correct.
Okay.
So product is a super class, parent class. Inside that car is coming, electronics is coming. But for the product item level, this is not belongs to electronics one.
Okay.
I mean to say,
Those are
product
specific
is the
related specific items of
yes,
car.
product is a parent class, but the subclass is car and electronics.
Electronics.
I mean to say, subtypes you can say.
Okay. Mm.
Okay, now we'll move forward. So as classification, as I told you, for electronics, like there's a class. If you can see, so there's a one classification attribute. This is there. This is the one table name. This is also one table name, and this is the one product table name. So for the product feature is there. So this all things you will find inside the impacts actually. So this is very high level actually, because basically we are breaking the product type into multiple segments. Like the bag is there, or if for example books is there, if that book is the audio book or digital book, or it's a uh, uh, like a physical copy. Like this, we are defining the classification attribute.
Mm-hmm.
I mean to say, in very normal way, we are just breaking the product feature. That's it. Because if we keep everything into one single table, it will give some performance issue.
Right.
Now we are moving forward. This is the structure for classification. So if you can see,
So a question here: the solar server that we discussed a
mhm,
couple of minutes back is
mhm,
used
mhm.
in searching the tables and items too, or is it used for searching the application? Like,
Very good question. Good question. So in your storefront, so uh, okay. So basically, once we there's a one search box is there in your home page. If you type something, okay,
uh-huh.
so it will look into your Hybris database. If it is found that, then it will do the indexing with the Solar one. So basically, this is looking into the type system and data modeling, which we are looking for.
Okay. Okay. So basically, the product search, whatever we have
Yes,
available. Okay.
we can do the product search also, and we can do the content search also.
Okay.
Right? For example, for us, the product is bag, and the contents will be it's a polyester bag or it's a cotton bag. So that contents you will put, and it will display it over there in the search box.
Okay.
Now I'm moving forward. Okay, that's it. So I will take here some 5-second pause. Then you can start sharing your screen. So so we will resolve your problem today. That store we will make that storefront up today.
Sure. You're able to see, right?
Yes, yes, sorry, I was on mute actually. Sorry. So yesterday I had gave you some pointers. So have you done that in the host entry that file? You have done that.
No, I could not. I mean, I just lost the steps and I was trying to check here. Um,
Okay, no problem, no problem. We can you go a little bit up? Okay, this fourth, fifth we have done. Can you please
yes,
come down?
this was done, and after
Local
that,
extension that also we have removed. So this is also fine. And all build is successful. Our build is successful, right? There's no compilation error, right?
no.
Okay. So this module gen we have. So you understood this ant module gen concept also, right?
Mm,
Okay. Let me repeat
so,
again. No problem.
yeah.
So we can walk through the this recording again. So ant module, what it is doing, it is generating the set of extension on which we can utilize, and on the top of that we can write our own functionality. Okay, so when you do the ant module gen, it will generate around 5 to 6 extension. For example, bookstore code. Yeah, we
So
can
yeah,
do.
here
Yeah.
it, I mean, I just want to. So this is what this all things are generated when we do module gen, right?
Ant module gen, correct.
Okay. So this we did after updating our XML with these
Yes,
entries
after making the entry into this, then we have done the ant
and
node.
module gen, right? Hello?
Yeah, yeah, I'm listening you.
Yeah. So
Okay.
first we have to make changes in this
Yes,
local extensions.xml,
yes.
and after that we will do this step and module then.
No, 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 no.
Hmm.
First you do the ant module gen, okay? If you are doing the first time installation,
Hmm.
after that it will generate all the 5 6 extension.
Hmm.
After it is generated, then you can make an entry into local extension dot xml file.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So I think after that we were trying to configure it in IntelliJ, right?
Yes, yes. So I think
Uh,
uh,
Start again.
we have used this some different. Can you please do the Google again? Can you type there Hybris, sorry, IntelliJ version?
Uh, Here in Google.
Ah, Google you can do. Type here SAP, sorry,
Oh,
IntelliJ,
you asked
Inte,
me to have the community version, right?
yeah, yeah, IntelliJ community version. Hmm.
Yeah, this I was
I want,
supposed to, but I
I
could not.
want that 19.2019.21 other version community.
Uh,
Huh.
do you see here?
Yeah, see, there is a, it is an other IntelliJ community edition. Yes. Hmm.
No,
But
all of them are
it is actually there are two versions are coming, Ultimate and
community.
Community. Yes, but for you, this do you have Chrome browser?
Hmm.
It seems like you are not using Chrome. Huh?
I'm
Can you
using
please, yeah,
Edge.
please open the Chrome browser, please, please. Yeah, IntelliJ Community Edition. Yeah, other versions are there. Huh? Other versions. Can you open? I'm just wondering why this is came like this for you. Ah, one second. Let me open in my system.
Mhm.
IntelliJ idea. One second. Yeah, I'm sharing my screen.
Okay, we'll stop sharing.
Yeah, can you stop sharing? I'll quickly share my screen, then understood more. I hope you can see my screen.
Yes.
Yes. So this is the like this I was saying. See, ultimate. This is the paid version, but we will go with the community one. So you can jetbrains.com idea slash download others.html. You can
Want me to
open.
go there? Okay.
Yes, yes.
Mm,
So I hope you have opened this, right? This.
Yes, I am getting that.
So you are getting the same screen, right, in your system also?
Yeah.
Very good, very good. I'm just stopping my screen
Let me.
because yeah, because my agenda is that once a storefront is running and okay, no, then we have win the battle. Yeah, here can you come down
I was checking.
2019? Wait. I want this 2009 2.4. Yes, perfect.
This.
Here you can go with mm, mm, Linux or Windows, not go with this
Sorry.
window X for exe. Yeah, exit this.
Yeah. Mm.
Yes, this one, correct.
EXE, right?
Please, yeah, exe, please. Let it be get installed. You can stop sharing. I'll share my screen
Okay.
because why to sit ideal? Actually, this is not dragging easily. Okay, I was talking about that code flow, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
That code flow I was saying, right?
Correct.
So you can see my screen, correct?
Right.
So here, from the storefront, I mean to say electronic side apparel. First, it will go in for the controller, any controller, cart page controller or product page controller or login page controller or home page, whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Then from controller, it will go to facade layer. See, right?
Mm-hmm.
And after the facade, it will go to service layer. The after service, it will go to DAO layer.
Okay. So
You
now
just remember,
where you have the data. I mean, that
yeah,
is what will talk to the database.
yes, correct.
Mm.
I will share with them, so they will upload in their system, so you can get the access for this.
This will come in LMS, right?
Yes. I will give it to them, then they will keep it in their system, LMS system.
Okay.
Because this flow is very important, very important. I was saying that time, no, some people are doing the saving operation to the facade layer, to the controller layer, right? If they want to save
Saving
some data.
You mean, okay, saving data.
Uh, I mean
That
to say, for
should be
example,
done through DAO, right?
yes. For example, I am just giving one task. There is a one form you have to develop that book ID and book name, and there will be one save button must be there. So once you click on that save button, so
Uh-huh.
it should go to database. So what people are doing, sometimes they are doing into the controller layer. Some people they are doing to the facade layer. Some people are doing somewhere. Means where because of lack of concept. The best is that for saving and all the operation, you have to perform into service. You have to call method model service dot save and it will get saved actually.
Okay.
This is the one standard as per the SAP code standard.
Mm-hmm. So
Okay.
controller is nothing but the front end that user will be viewing.
Yeah, controller is like a Java class. These are all of the Java class actually.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And here is our JSP we have to write for that.
In controller,
So
right?
yeah, from the controller, so the call will goes to JSP also, then facade, the service and down. I will give you one once your IntelliJ is set up, no, or once your code base is set up, I will give you one controller for your reference. So what you can do, you just go through that. You can pick up one method, and you can go line by line,
Okay.
and that code flow I will explain you. If you understand that flow, then you can do all the assignments and everything. Okay.
Okay.
So as per the instruction dot PDF, their assignment is there, right? You have to create one book table, bookstore, that all thing. That
Mm-hmm.
all you have to do that.
Okay.
I will make it in more simplified way. Okay. So tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday is there. So and I will share it with them. So they will upload in that system.
Okay. I think the
Because
TXC is, yeah, please go ahead.
yeah, because why to go with the complications unnecessary?
Mm-hmm.
If something we can simplify, so better to go with simple way.
Right.
Once you got the hands on, then you can go with the complications way, not a problem. But at the beginning, you have to understand.
Correct. Okay. So that EXE is downloaded.
I downloaded, right?
Yes.
So you can share your screen, please. Actually, this has got stuck. Yeah, you please share your screen. Yeah, you can install this. Our version is 2019.2.4 because you have three IntelliJ now,
Right.
right? So
Just
don't get confused. Okay.
maybe I'll uninstall
Yeah,
this.
be very careful while installing or uninstalling because sometimes what happen if you uninstall this one, it will cause issue. As we are doing recording for this, so you can rewind and forward this one. How
Yeah.
we have installation and
I
everything.
I wanted to do that for yesterday's session, but the recording is not getting uploaded right away.
Mm-hmm. No problem. Install. For SAP Hybris Commerce information, you will get it from multiple platforms, from the YouTube, from the Google, from other blogs. But there are lots of things are there, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I am going to share with you only filtered information.
Right. Right. That's what I mean.
For
If
it,
you refer many things, sometimes it's confusing.
correct. One of the best, I will explain in this way. For example, you wants to go to Bombay to Bangalore or Bangalore or Bombay to Chennai. There are multiple ways are there. You can go by flight also, you can go by bus also, you can go by train also. But I will suggest you go by flight. 2 hour job is done. I mean to say, I will make it navigation very simple. Otherwise, what will happen? You will confuse here and there and everything. So I gave you one link also, right, for study. That one, that day you have bookmark, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that is very important, and
Suggest.
this will, yeah, that can be helpful for you for the long run up. Yes,
Hmm.
this one.
Yeah, this has other sections.
Yes. See, in the left hand side, there's a some. It's, can you scroll up?
All these things.
Yeah, see here. See, if you can go to see, can you click on this third option, and all and versus and clean all? So this is also understood. I think you can close this. I will suggest you go with the Chrome of Google
Oh,
Chrome. This browser is okay, but Chrome is much better. So you can see here. So I mean to say, whenever you get some time, you just scroll up, down, so you'll grab the more knowledge. I am reading this link since 5 years.
okay.
Yeah,
Are they updating it often with new?
they are not updating, but after reading from there, I capture some contents and I'm creating my own contents.
Okay.
So in that, I am modifying everything. Okay. You can click on, you can check this button, run. Oh, above, yeah, finish. It will open the IntelliJ. Yes, cool. Can say okay, okay, down one. This is what I need actually. Yeah. You can in the left side skip.
So is this always used for Hybris, the community version, or
What's your question?
is this the version should be used generally for Hybris?
Actually, there is a one trick is there. I'm going to share with you. See, you can go with the higher version also. Okay, 22 or 20, whatever. But after some month, it will ask you to pay some money.
Okay.
Okay, and what will happen? Your code base is there, everything is there. If you will not pay that one installation, everything, it will get freeze your window, that IntelliJ.
Oh,
And this will be very big headache because you are doing since 1 month, 2 months, and everything will get freezed. So then you will stuck. So I found this IntelliJ version where your journey will be very cool actually. And I am using IntelliJ this 2019 since 4 years, and there is a no issues came so far.
oh,
Most of people they don't know. Most of people they're going with the higher version, 22 dot something.
oh,
After some month, 2 to 3 months, there is asking for the license, pay money, and after that everything is disabled.
oh, okay. Mm.
Okay, no problem. You go to configure and down one, down, down, down. Yeah. Go to settings, setting, 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 setting. Up one, up, up. First one.
Oh, oh.
Setting. Yeah. In the click on appearance, yeah. In the theme, you can choose the IntelliJ light one. So after that, it depends on you which theme you want to use. You just say apply downstairs. Yeah. Now it's up to you. You want to go with the lighter version or darker ones version, so you can decide that. Okay. You just click on OK now and down. Okay. Now go to configure again. Click on plugin. Yeah, here you can type Hybris. Yeah, this one, first one.
Integration, right?
Yes. If you accept it, if you go with a higher version, after some month, this will get disabled actually. Click on OK down.
Just a second. Oh, so this gets, but here also it says it's
You
330.
do not worry. There is some tricks are there. I will tell you.
Okay. Okay, right? I have to click OK.
So just click on OK. Yeah, it will ask you to restart. Yeah, restart it. Yes. Actually, in the yesterday recording, we have done the same job. So no problem. You can refer this recording also for the future reference. Yeah. Can you click on import, please? Import project. Okay. And go to C drive. Where is your installation directory? Yeah. Go to CX1811. Hybris. Say okay. Okay. Good. And down one. Down radio button.
Oh, import project.
Choose Hybris. Next. Super. Great. Yeah, wait now. Here in the project name, we are rename this with the CX1811. CX1811 underscore bookstore.
That's it.
Yes, that's it. Okay, you can say next. Great. Yeah, next. Finish. I will make one more doc file, txt file. There, I will put all the necessary link for your reference, and I will share with them. So we'll take it from the LMS system.
Okay.
So you will never struggle actually. By chance your bookmark is got destroyed, so this link will be saved there.
You're allowed, right?
You say don't allow, and you just uncheck this one also, show open, close it. It will take some 5 to 10 seconds because it is pulling all the information. I'm to say all the extension, everything. Yes, now you can maximize this. Here in the down right side is saying no plugin updates. So never update the plugin. This is the
Yeah,
one
for,
trick.
for
Yeah, this
Java
is the one
also
trick.
it was asking me to upgrade to higher version.
No, don't update anything. If you
Yes.
update something, it will get freezed actually.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the one trick. You can use this IntelliJ for as long as you want. In the down, see indexing is happening. It is doing all that. And there are some code repositories there, Bitbucket, GitHub, or GitLab. You might be heard.
Yeah.
So what I will do, I will create one Git repository for you, and you can do the same what we do in the live project, pull, check in, check out, everything.
Okay, so I heard about it, but I haven't used Git.
No worries. I will tell you. I will tell you. No worries. So when you get deployed into real time project, no, so you will never struggle.
Mhm. It takes time, right?
Yeah, it is taking some time actually. This is taking only first time when you import the code base, everything, no? So in the down one message will get popped up successful.
Okay. Meanwhile, if you want to share something, you can.
Okay, one second. Let me find out. If you can stop share, so I will share my screen. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen.
So the exercises, lab exercises will be in training labs tools, right?
Yes, yes. But I will make it this more simplified way in the doc file. So from there we can refer because there are some complications are there. So why to struggle unnecessary? So I will take just give you the one quick overview till the time this is get uh, your IntelliJ will import all the projects code base and everything. So this is we already aware of, right? The Java, which is the object is the
Right.
instance of class, and the SAP Commerce, the item is the instance of type system, everything, which we have already seen, right?
Mhm.
Apart from this, this is also we have seen
Yeah.
yesterday. Data type, there is a boolean data types are there, and map is there, string, integer, and we can use the double also.
So all these attributes for a particular column we define in items.xml, right?
Yes, yes. For example, we
So
are
we
doing
are
some
not
data.
writing any SQLs here. We are just mentioning it in XML and
Yeah,
interpreted
correct,
the application itself, right?
correct. See,
So are the tables created somewhere? I mean,
yes, it will create the table also. So I will once your code base is set up,
mhm.
so I will share with you the data, that details also in your system.
So for that DB, I mean backend, we have the default ones which is there in the suite, right?
Yes, yes.
With MySQL, uh,
This is we are using the by default HSQL. So
HSQL.
once your system is done, so we can go to HAC and we'll see all the tables and everything. HAC and back office and all that. Compose type, also referred as the item types. This one, and there are different data types are there. Collections are there. Map type. In Java, we used to call collection, but here they're appending the types, map types, enumeration, atomic. You must be familiar with the atomic, like it's the integer value or double like this.
Oh, okay.
So
So
for
atomic
example,
types is nothing but numeric data.
correct. For example, we will be creating one table called book. So the book, I will go with the two attributes, book ID and book name. So ID must be atomic type. It must be integer, right? So these kinds of type system is there: atomic, collections, enumeration, map type, relation type, item types, like this.
So relation is what is
Relationship
relation?
like
The
There's a
table.
one product table is there, one user table is there, so we can make some relationship over there.
Okay.
I mean to say, it's like a joins actually.
Fine. Okay. Yeah.
This PDF I have made, I have gone through multiple portals and I have kept here filtered information. So
Mhm.
after this session, I will share this PDF also with them. So we will go through this.
Okay.
So, and this PDF file is very important. It will give you the quick recap for everything.
Mhm.
So as you can see into item.xml, you can see like this tags, atomic types, collection types,
Okay.
enum types, map type, relation types, and item types.
Mm-hmm.
So
So
once your project
tags
code is
and yeah.
imported, no, then I can show you into the your system.
Okay.
So for example, how to define our tables and everything, no? So I am taking one table called book. Okay, so I will say item type generate equals to true, and generate means this will basically generate the classes. Code will be the book, and Jello session it is deprecated, so we'll see later on extending the generic item. Or see here, what's happening is if you are saying extending the generic item or not, by default it will extend.
Okay. Like
Auto,
by default in Java, every class extends object.
yeah. Here, what's happening in SAP Hybris, whatever item types tables you are creating, this will automatically go into the generic items.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
At the last, there's a deployment table, it is there, right? Deployment table, this one. And there's one type code also there. So type code is having some sort of restrictions and everything. It has to be start after 10,000, that one. Some reserve keywords are there, some reserve number is there.
Okay.
This is a deployment table code and everything. So once you define the item types, so you can give the table name over there with the type code 123. And after that, we can define our attributes name, first name, last name, like this.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So this is what I was talking about. 10,000s are integer values are there. So within that, we have to give that deployment table code number. So this is how we can do the data modeling. If you can see right now, there's the item types code equals to test item type to extending this, then auto creates true, generate equals to false. They made this for. After that, we can define the attributes. Attribute this, for example, qualifier name is test property 2, type is java dot language string. So like this, you can define the item types, data modeling.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
This is called the actual data modeling. This I will pause here
Uh-huh.
for 5 seconds. So you just take a look on the screen. How they have done the data modeling? The same way we'll do
Okay.
for the one single table. So if you can see, there is a read is equals to true and write is equals to true, search is equals to false, option is equals to true. So for that, basically what's happening is read equals to true, like it is creating only getter method.
Uh-huh.
So once you do the data modeling for this, and once you do the and clean all, so in that classes, you can see this all the things.
Okay.
At the last, optional equals to true. It means it is not mandate. I mean to say, I mean to say, if you can see attribute like test properties two, if I'm going to make this optional is equals to true means we do not have to it is
It's
not the
not
compulsory.
mandatory. Mm-hmm.
Yes. For example, you have one form called bookstore, book ID, book name. So, and I make as a book name as an option equals to true. So it's not required to do any validation. You can keep that as a empty also.
Empty.
It will not give any error because I have made an option equals to true. But in case if I made option equals to false, so you have to make some entry into that attribute.
Okay.
Okay. I was talking about the localized attributes. This is how you can do the localization. Like your this particular attributes get transacted in different languages also.
Oh, okay.
Because as Hybris is supporting the 18 languages,
Mm-hmm.
so if you will not put the localized, this keyword localized colon, it will not do uh, that
Language change.
localization.
Okay.
I mean to say, your store is into the English context, or you
Hmm.
wants to go with the French language or some German language, you cannot. So you have to put the localized.
Okay.
Redeclare attributes. So for this, some assignment is there. I will share with you this. Or
I guess this IntelliJ, the project is imported also.
it's imported, right?
Right.
If it is imported, then we will take a look.
Are you able to see the screen?
So what I'm saying is, can you click on this custom, expand it? Yeah.
Bookstore.
Do you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Do you see that? Yeah. Can you click on config? Config. Can you click into this local? Yeah.
Extension.
Yeah. Local extension of XML. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, okay. One more thing I forget. Okay. Can you go to file settings, file settings? Yes. Go to key map, and you have to choose from your Eclipse. Above the drop down. Yes. We apply and okay. Okay. So now can you open Control Shift R product page controller?
Just a second.
Product page controller.
How you want?
Product. Now you can put here that product page. Yes. Can you click on this? Yes. See, I have told you, right? When we have opened agio.com, it is coming /p/ that product code, right? Yesterday. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, which one you were talking about?
Yesterday I told you, right, in agio.com in the URL it is coming
Okay.
/p at
Okay.
line number 79, right?
Numbers.
79.
Okay. Oh, okay. This thing.
This is that P is coming from there. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
And if you can see line number in that product code, see pattern and down one. It's a 90 line number.
This one.
This one. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Now in the PDP page, can you open the agio.com and open any product detail page? You click on any product. Did you see that in the URL/p product code name is coming? So this is called a product detail page. Okay. And this product detail page is coming from product page controller. And inside the product page controller, there is a one method is get called. Can you go back to your IntelliJ? Yeah. Can you please come down, scroll down? Yeah, more down. Yes. Wait. Line number 122. Okay. This is the method is responsible to see your product into product detail page.
So all this will be there by default, right?
Yes.
Okay. I can then customize it based on our requirement.
Yes. So in this method, you can do some customization.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And whatever you are seeing into the storefront, that is a product data. Okay. Can you click on product data, control like this?
Product data file.
No, like this from there itself. Just press the control and mouse click.
Okay.
Line number 130. Yeah, click on this. Yes. See, these all are the attributes are there. Code, name, URL, description. And this is called DTO. In the Hybris, we call data transfer object, but in your Java, we used to call the POJO classes. And for this, there must be setter getter method must be there. You can come down at the end, you can see.
Okay. So, if I'm not wrong, you are saying this is DTO, right?
DTO, yes, data transfer object.
So, from where these fields are coming?
Yes. So for this, we have make entry into bean.xml. Okay. Can you do me one favor? Can you go to that product page controller? Okay. First, I'm going to show you that flow. Okay. Can you double click on this product data? Double click. Now say Control H. Now from the file mask, you just choose the XML. See on top right side. No, not file mask. One checkbox is there, right? Yes. Yes. Choose here XML instead of Java. There one drop down must be there into Java. Yeah. Can you keep scrolling down in that one? No, in that one.
Here.
Yeah. You can see how they have defined into the bean. See, there's a bean.xml is there, right? Out of the box code.
Mm,
You can explore this more.
yeah. Okay.
Okay. Now you just escape, click on escape button. As I have showed you that diagram, right? Controller, facade, service, and DAO. This is just, I'm just giving you the one quick recap, but we will implement this everything by practical way. Okay. I will give you a simple small assignment so you can do that. Okay. But
Okay.
I'm just showing you. So right now we are into the controller, right? And line number 130.
Right.
So there's one product facade is there layer, right? Can you double click on this get product option method? Double click on this,
Yes,
or
Prabhu.
yeah, and just take your mouse there and say Control T, Control T. Yeah, go into this one,
First one,
default product facade. Yes,
there are two. Okay. Both are same, I guess.
did you see that? It is it is returning the product data. Okay. Now here we are using converter populator. Do you see that? At in line number 137, from controller to facade and facade to service we are going. Can you click on this get product for the code control T? Get product for code control T.
And this thing.
Yeah, go first. Right. So now we okay. Okay. So we have done the controller, facade, service.
Okay.
Now we are into the service layer. Now if you can see line number 68. So can you click on this find product control T? So here some query is executing into the DAO layer. Can you go into the find control T or press click on accept? Into the find method, see this is a query must be there,
Yes.
right?
There are multiple finds. So
Yes.
they have different attributes, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is what is the flow is controller and facade, service and DAO.
Okay.
Into the facade layer, there is a populator is there. Do you see that? See line number 138, converter and populator. Can you click on this get converter and say F3, F3, F3. Press F3.
Mm,
Just press F3.
mm,
I think your shortcut is not. You can put function F3 then, if it is not working then.
I have that button.
I think sometimes some issues are coming. So better you can click first. You can click on function button, then F3. Yes. Now click on this product converter F3 and down, down, down.
Product.
Product converter. There one variable is there, right? Line number 7, F3. Yes. It will take you the upstairs, right? So here you can see at line number 64, product model it is there, and product data is there. So basically, when we want to show some data into the storefront, we are converting our product model into product data, DTO class.
Okay.
So this is how the flow is work for any CAD operation. And this is the standard we need to follow.
Okay. So
So now your code setup is done. So what you can do now, first you can do the R&D on product page controller. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Second, you can open the login page controller. Control Shift R. Can you type
That page, just a second.
Control Shift R? Login page controller. Yes. So when you click on the sign in button, so this method, this controller will get called. And you can move forward. Control T, F3, Control T like this. This is just for your FIR.
Mm-hmm.
So you will get the more hands-on. Okay. Okay. Now your code setup is done. Now we have to make your storefront up. So you have to make the host entry as per the instruction.pdf file.
Mm-hmm.
Have you made the host entry yesterday?
No.
No. Okay, no problem. We'll sort it out right now. Host entry must be there somewhere.
Yeah, it was there. I read it.
Yeah. So this we have
This,
copied this local
yeah,
dot
this we
properties, right?
have done. Yeah, that this was done.
Can you please open your IntelliJ? Can you recheck this again? Did we have done or not? Local.
This we did.
Yes, it is there. Cool. Okay. Okay. Now
So,
can you
what was the
minimize?
host entry you were saying?
I'm sorry.
This is what you mean by host entry?
No, no, no. This is not
Okay.
those entity. This is the local dot properties. Here we are
Yeah, here,
defining all the. Yeah, this one.
yeah,
Fourth one.
I saw this thing.
You have done this one.
No.
Okay, no problem. So first, you can open this location.
Yes, try.
So have you opened this location in your? Yes. Yeah. See, what happened is that here I think yeah, open notepad. If you can edit this, then it is good. Just copy that one from the PDF file. Yeah. Copy and paste. It is not allowed, right? It will not allow. So what you can do, one solution is there. Just copy and paste this host file into the desktop somewhere. Because this is a driver file, no? It won't allow. This is another problem. Okay, you just go to that folder, driver folder. Copy, Control C, and put it in your desktop. Put it here. Now open this file. Open a notepad, simple notepad also. This is also fine. Open. And just copy that one. 120. Control C. Yes. Copy at the last. Yeah. Control S. Save it. No, save it. Control S. No. Done. Close this. Now what you can do, show your desktop. Now, now copy this file and paste it in that location. Control V. Replace. Continue. And that's fine, no problem. We are just making some entry, right? Yeah. Just press F5, refresh this page. and double check is that entry is came or not. Uh, okay, is that came? Entries came there. No, no, we have to put the bookstore right there. See, just simply Control S. That's it. Control S simply. Control C and Control V. Control S. Yeah, that's it. Now copy and paste it in that location. Okay, great. Entries came there. You can close this window. Okay. Now what you can do, now you can go to your platform folder and set the end path and do the end clean all. Your command prompt. Hmm. Type there CMD upstream. Yeah, you can type here send and env tab. Yes. Now we can do your end clean all. Yeah. Now you can open your notepad plus plus. Yeah. Control N. Okay. So whatever we have understand and learned today's concept is data modeling everything. So I will give you a very simple exercise so you can perform. So you can write here create a table called book, only book. Okay, and it should have attribute called book ID and book name. Book ID and book name. Okay, now create one more table, bookstore. Bookstore, and here we will keep the author name and description. So for this line number 1 or line number 2, you have to do some data modeling. Only this two attribute, that's it. So book ID you can make it as an integer, okay, and book name you can make it as a string. Okay, and now so for this it is a very simple exercise. You have to do the data modeling for this. After that, once you have done this, and you have to modify the item.xml. Okay. So once you have done this, then you have to perform the and clean all. You can write the steps actually. Once the data modeling is done, perform and clean all, and you have to go to HAC and update the system.
This needs to be done in items.xml, right? The data
Yes,
modeling.
and clean all, it must be into the platform actually. After the and clean all, you have to update the system. Okay.
Update system.
I mean to say you have to go to HAC and you will update over there. I will tell you that.
Hmm.
Not worry. And once you done this, then you can write there, go to HAC and into the flexible query, you will write this because I don't know when you will get the recording for this. So why to waste the time? So you
Right.
can say go to HAC, click on flexible query tab, click on flexible query tab. Okay. After that, you can say uh, in that inside that editor you can write select star from book and see
So this
here
has to
is
be done after updating. This.
yes,
Okay.
yes, because we are creating the new data modeling for the book, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we have to update database, then only your query will work, right?
Okay. Mm-hmm. So this is basically adding the table into the system.
Correct.
Okay.
So here is the one catch is here. So I gave you one query, select star from book, right?
Mm-hmm.
If you run this into a flexible query, it will not work because SAP Hybris is having some syntax. In general, will work into your SQL editor or workbench somewhere. But to run this into Hybris, so you have to put the curly brace. Before book, you have to put one curly brace. After that, one more curly brace.
Like this.
Yes. Now this will work.
Okay.
Okay.
So for tables, we have to do like this. You mean to say? I mean,
Ye-
table needs to be mentioned in the curly braces.
Yes.
Okay.
So this is a very small, very simple exercise to make you the understanding of data modeling and everything.
Mm-hmm.
So now your and clean all is done. After your and clean all is done,
Mm-hmm.
then you have to start your Hybris server.
Yeah. Mhm. And you don't need to do all this thing, right? Yeah.
What happened? Sorry. See? Yes. See, I told you that then there are two ways are there. Execute and initialize from the command prompt also. But I prefer always this because I worked on so many projects, so I know. But SAP is suggesting you go to HAC. You can see there. Step number 6. Go to HAC. See, username password is there. Admin and password is Nimda. Can you
Mm-hmm.
see that?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So you can come down. So there is a one initialize button must be. Can you come down? Yes. Did you see that? Yeah. See, extension is there, and can come down more.
This is
No,
to start the
good.
server.
Okay, this only this much. Okay. Okay, no worries. One second. Okay, I'll share my screen after your end key all is done. So we'll start the hybrid server then. So you can complete your first exercise. Okay.
Yeah. You want me to
And
stop sharing? Yeah.
no, you can go. Can you go to your IntelliJ, please? End key is going on. I'm just waiting for to get finished this end key. Then we will do the server startup. After the server startup, I am going to share with you the HAC, that one. Okay, I'm taking here some 10-second pause actually.
Okay.
Okay, cool. This is there's a no compilation error. So you can type here Hybris. Hybris tab. Yes. And just enter. So now your code setup is done. Can you allow this? So your code setup is done. Okay. There is no compilation error. And we have added all the extension also. Now we are going to make this server up actually. So you can see the storefront.
So this is the default Tomcat server which is getting up.
Yes, yes, by default Tomcat. So this is the solar port is there. Eight. I think some pop-up is coming. Okay.
I am on.
So it will take 5 minutes more. My voice is clear, right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So whenever you do the setup for Hybris, so initialization is only one-time activity. Okay. Never initialize your system again and again. Why? Because it will clean everything. You will, you know, your data will got truncated. So this is only one time activity. Even you will get deployed into real time projects. So they will ask you to do initialization only one time. That's it. After that, you always do the update system. That's it.
Okay. But servers we can do stop, right? When we are not using.
Sorry, what's your question?
Servers, like now we are starting, we can stop the server also. But we can do
Yeah,
that.
we can stop the server also with the control C. We can keep. Okay.
Mhm.
And here uh, one more trick is here. Generally, what people are doing, they are directly close from the that cross from terminal. I mean to say they don't use the command control C. Directly they are closing this command prompt. So
Mhm.
never do this. It will corrupt your server unnecessary. So you just, if you want to stop something, you just click on control C and it will get stopped.
Mhm.
If you simply close this window, it will cause some future issues. This is the my experience with the project actually.
It might not stop things properly.
Sorry?
It won't stop the server properly.
Yeah, it won't stop properly. It will be stay in somewhere heap memories. So
Right.
better for the safer side, and it is very painful to do the again and again installation for SAP Hybris
Mm-hmm.
because if there any error is came, then we need to resolve that. So better to go with the safer side
Right.
because once you got into the real project, no, you will not get this much time to do all these things.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool. Server is up. Okay. Can you go to properties file? Yeah. Here, can you pick up line number 11? This HTTP, this one.
Okay. And this I can use to access it.
Control C. Can you go to that link also I have shared with you, right? Installation. This is second tab. Second tab.
Mm,
Second tab. Yeah, yeah.
instructions, right?
Second, second. Okay, this is instruction one. Okay. There's a one Chrome link I have shared, right? Installation for B2C. That
No, I saved here only. So I
yeah,
can.
yeah. Can you come down, please? Here. I'm just double checking actually. HAC, come down. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Debug is done.
We did not do this step, right?
See, no, it's not required. Can you
Saying
come down?
start hybrid
Af-
server, and it is saying this.
After step number 5, can you please scroll down? Wait. Yes, yes. Can you pick up this HTTP 9001? This URL. Yeah. Copy this. Control C. Go to your Chrome browser and paste it there. Server error.
Mhm.
Can you type there 9002 then? No. Your local dot properties is where?
It has this entry, right?
No. That line number 11. Then pick up this. Control C. Yes, advance. And this one, proceed. It's giving some error actually. Can you check the logs actually? That console. Can you go? Storefront dot filters. Okay, got it. Got it. Can you go to that link actually? That from where we have picked up the HAC one?
Which exception did you check here?
Here, what's happening? No, here are basically before looking into controller, it is going into the filters actually, which we have defined in the properties file. Okay, no problem. We will solve this. Go to that link. Installation directory.
Here or the web?
Chrome, into the Chrome. Yeah, installation is there. Can you go up a little bit? More up, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. These are entries must be there. 1 second, let me check in my system. These are kind of challenges we face. Okay, multi-gen entries. Okay. Okay, cool. Got it. Okay. What you can do, go to your local dot properties file, please. Local. It's not required, that is fine. Can you make this disabled actually? That hash, put the hash key in front of that.
Here? These lines?
Hash key. Yes, hash key.
Just one?
And down also. Down also. Hash key. Yeah, Control S. Now we can do the end clean all now. Again. Then open this link 9001. Once end key all is done, now say Control C.
Here, right? We have to stop this.
Control C, correct. We are lucky we got the errors actually. Yes, generally in others when I have gave them trainings, they did not get any error. They are very happy actually. So what I feel is that if there is no error is coming, then there is no brainstorming, right? End key all. After the end key all, you can do the hybrid server up. Okay. So the action item on you that you have to create one table called book with the 2 attributes. After that, I have given the steps and key and all the update system you have to do. Okay. So these things you have to do. And action item on me, I will share the documentation with them. So they will upload in their system. Apart from this, I will simplify the instruction.pdf file in the more efficient way, then I will share with you.
Yes. Just a question here.
Mhm.
Here they are using Hybris server batch debug. We just
Yes,
use batch file.
good question. Yes. So you're asking why the debug, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So when we are doing some debugging something, so we have to put this hybris server.batch.debug.
So
So
this is
whenever,
basically to do it in debug mode.
yes, so one of the best practices that whenever I do the hybris development work, I always do the hybris server.batch debug. By default, I am keeping there
Okay.
because again stop the server, again compile it is very painful. It is very time consuming. So I am always opening the hybrid server into debug mode.
Mm, okay.
Okay.
So this will start the server like, but as we got this
Yes.
exception, this would have got, I mean,
Because there are some duplicacies happen for the keys and value. If you can go to local.properties file, you can see over there. Have you saved this local.properties?
yes.
Yes. Duplicacy scheme, right? Because what happened is that uh, before looking into this local.properties, there is a filter chain is there. Okay. So that is found some duplicate entries.
Okay.
Okay. Meanwhile, I will share my
Here,
screen.
I have one question. Hmm. We put these entries, right?
Yeah, we
We put
disabled
these
actually.
entries. We disabled it.
Yes.
Now, I see these two entries, right?
Yes.
So we should be using these thing, or we should use the local host. I mean,
We will be using this books to local host. It must be there. Okay. What you can do, let me share my screen so you'll get the idea from there. Okay. Because what is in your system and what is in my system that is almost same. So you can stop this. Hope you can see my screen.
yes.
So sorry, I was on mute. So you go to HAC, log in this, and go to platform, hover in the platform, and click on initialize button tab. So here you have to click on initialize one. Okay.
Okay, so to go to HSC, I have to use this URL.
Hmm. Correct. You can rewind this this recording again and again. Okay. So into this hybrid, this is the link is there. You can follow this. Here they have given this one as you
Giving
can.
me server error because my server is not up.
No problem. You can make this entry also where it is this one entry also.
There,
In this host file,
local host, right?
hmm,
Mm,
okay.
just a second.
So for electronics, you
Can you
can do
show
like
that
this.
which link you are accessing? It's
1 second. So this is the HAC. You click over here, and I was talking about that flexible query,
entry.
then console flexible search over here. You can type. You can write here. Select star from Hybris. You can execute from here. Right now, if I'm going to click on here product, I can execute like this. Okay. So
I
just follow
want to
this.
check the entry for HSC that you were showing.
Yeah, you can type there localhost colon https 9002 and slash HAC. Okay.
Just a second.
And you can rewind uh, this recording, this one and yesterday's one. So you'll get the more idea.
Yeah.
So now one of the biggest tasks was code setup. So code setup is done. So you just do the end initialization through HAC. Then you can open the storefront with that link actually. Okay.
Okay.
And I will put some link and some simplified documentation. So I will share with them. Uh, I will share with them in some time actually.
Yeah.
So you can check because here it's a night time. Okay. So
Mhm.
in your daytime tomorrow morning you can see, or
Okay.
maybe in your evening timing actually.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So we are stopping this today.
Yeah.
So you can do that and initialization, server startup, storefront, and exercise number 1. That is very simple actually, and you can go to that item.xml into the bookstore core. Like this, you can do.
Mm,
Okay.
just a second. Okay. So HSC for that I need to enter in the XML, right?
No, no,
No,
HAC you don't have
sorry,
to make.
properties, local
Yes,
properties.
yes,
Okay.
yes. You can refer that Google Chrome that link actually. Okay.
I'm just checking that. Which step is that? I see that, but I see only one entry. It was step 6 or 7, right?
What you can do right now, you can avoid that instruction.pdf. I will simplify that more. Okay. So there's a one link I have sent you, that Google Chrome link. You can follow that one.
The Hybris B2C installation, right?
Yes, yes, yes,
Oh,
one.
yeah.
So there they are using the training storefront, but here you are using the booking storefront. So you
Bookstore.
can replace that one.
Oh,
That's it.
sure.
Okay. So it
Okay.
will be very simpler and easy for you. So I realize now that instruction.pdf is having some complication. I will simplify this and I will share with you.
Sure, sure. Okay, I'll try doing this. In case I am stuck somewhere, so is it fine if I just message you?
Yeah, yeah, that's fine. No problem.
Mhm. Okay,
Okay, then. We are running out of the time. So,
sure. Okay. Thank you.
okay, then. Thank you so much.
Thank you for attending the session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also feel free to ask your questions in the comment section below, and we will reply to them at the earliest.